IKEA effect is a cognitive bias where people place disproportionately high value on products they have partially created or assembled themselves. This term was introduced by researchers Michael Norton, Daniel Mochon, and Dan Ariely in a 2011 study. Named after the Swedish furniture retailer IKEA, known for its do-it-yourself assembly products, the effect illustrates how personal investment in labor leads to increased attachment and perceived worth. The phenomenon occurs because the effort and time invested in creating something fosters a sense of ownership and pride. This bias extends beyond furniture to various domains, including cooking, crafts, and even workplace projects. For instance, a person may feel a stronger attachment to a meal they cooked from scratch compared to a pre-made meal, even if the final product is objectively similar in quality. The IKEA effect has significant implications for consumer behavior, marketing, and motivation. Businesses can leverage this bias by involving customers in the creation process, enhancing satisfaction and loyalty. In the workplace, involving employees in the development of projects can boost engagement and commitment. Understanding the IKEA effect helps explain why people sometimes overvalue their contributions and can guide strategies to enhance user experience and personal satisfaction. By recognizing this bias, individuals and organizations can better appreciate the psychological benefits of effort and craftsmanship in creating valued outcomes. Please note that the individuals shown in this video are for illustrative purposes only. Thank you for watching.